so use the rectangular area model to expand. So all we're doing right now is just going back to one of our very first lessons and reviewing it. So if I'm using the rectangular area model to expand, because there's parentheses around these, what does it represent for my area model? The height and the length. So what's my first height here?
3.
What's my first height? What do I put right here? 4A. And then my second height? 3. And then my second set of numbers, my 2A and 5, that represents my length. So I have 2A and 5. So if I know the height and the length, what am I trying to find about my area model?
Area.
The total area. Okay? So what am I going to do inside of each rectangle to find the area of that individual rectangle?
Multiply the length and the height.
Okay.
For height times length.
Okay, so go ahead and do that for my first one here, Ben.
Okay, 4A times 2A equals 8 squared.
Okay. Logan, do the second rectangle for me.
A equals
Oh, no. Oh, yeah. You can drop the A equals. You can keep writing if you want. Okay.
4A times 5. I don't know if it's right, but I got 20. We didn't put like an A there.
Perfect. You did. And I like how you guys are always doing the height, then the length. That's what I want to see because when we get into tomorrow's lesson, it's going to be really important that you do the height, then the length. Okay, bottom left, Riley.
3 times 3.
Which equals?
6A.
And bottom right, Hannah.
3 times 5.
That's right. And what is that?
15.
That was painful. Okay.
Times 15.
Oh, you know. There we go. That better? All right. I am not quite finished yet because now I just have the area of each individual rectangle. What I need is the total area of the model. So how do I find the total area of that, Ben?
Combine like terms.
What are my like terms?
20A and 6A.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and combine those. And then if I refer back to last semester, I need to write my terms in a specific order. What order am I going to write them in? So what's my final answer going to look like? That's what I'm asking for here.
Equals AA squared.
Plus 26A. Plus 15.
Plus 15. And that's my final answer. So I'm going to box it. Done. Now what you guys did this past week, you got this. You found the greatest common factor and then you factored it. However, the area models that you guys were factoring only had one height. We're going to start working on tomorrow area models that have 2 heights. So we're going to add a little bit more to our lesson. Okay, flip your opener over. Let's take a look at the back side.
I don't get the back side at all, even though I've probably done it before.
So the back side, all it's saying here is 2A plus 3 squared. So what does that look like? 2A plus 3 squared.
2A plus 3 squared.
Basically, it's like a duplicate of the first one.
Yeah, it's just a duplicate of the first one. So I just rewrite it like this.
I'm so confused.
So think about it. If I would say, what is 3 squared? That basically means 3 times 3, right? So if that's 2A plus 3 squared, it's just 2A plus 3 times 2A plus 3. So it's just, you're taking it squared. Okay.
So, how did you put the 2 down over here if it was 2A?
Huh?
Like 2A plus 3.
Because it's anytime a number is squared, it's that number times itself twice, right? So I'm basically taking this times itself how many times?
Oh, 2 times.
So how many times do I have it written? 1,
Oh,
2. Now what if it was to the 3rd power? How many times would I write it?
3.
Yeah. Okay, so what's the height of my first rectangle here?
2A.
Okay, and the height of my second rectangle?
30.
Okay, what's the length?
2 and A.
And my other length?
Number 3.
All right, let's have Jenna. Go ahead and find the area of my top left.
Do you multiply 2A to
Yes, you do, and you get,
4A squared?
okay, Riley, top right. I think you did top right last time.
2A times 7. 6A.
Bottom left, Logan.
Which one?
Bottom left?
Oh. 2A.
Nah, always do your height first. So I want you to do this one.
Oh, 3 times 2A.
Equals.
6A.
And bottom right, Danny?
9.
No.
Or 3 times 3. And that would be 9.
Okay. Total area, Maddie.
You have to combine the 6 A and the other 6 A.
Okay. And when you do that, what do you end up with?
12 A.
Okay. And then we write our answer.
4A to the second power plus 12A plus 9. Box it.
And box it. Nice job.